Are you ready to draw? Grab your pencils! Let's go! First we draw a square so big, big enough to dance a jig. Then a triangle on the top, a pointy roof, we do not stop. Walls are strong, lines are straight. Drawing a house is really great. What does a house need? Let me see. A little door for you and me. Draw a rectangle, add a knob. You are doing a wonderful job. Now two windows, open wide to see the happiness inside. Drawing, drawing, oh so fun, creating a world for everyone. Paper and pencil in my hand, making the most beautiful land. On the roof, let's put a square, a little chimney puffing air. Now look beside the house so tall, let's draw a tree, not too small,